How to remove an object from a video in After Effects. Do you have something in your video that you want to remove? I have a solution for you. Let's dive right into the video. First, you need your footage. I got mine from Envato elements. I will put a link in the description, in case you also want quality footage. Next, we need to mask the object you want to remove. Simply, use the pen tool by pressing the shortcut G and mask around the object you don't want in the video. Great! Now select the layer and press M to open the mask settings. Change the mask to subtract, so we can see the rest of the video. Well, track the video. You can do this by right-clicking on the mask layer and selecting track mask. Then press the play button in the tracker panel. Sometimes tracking doesn't work well, so you might need to adjust it manually by keyframing, as I do. Now that we have tracked the object, we need to fill in the area where the object was. Go to the window menu and select Content Aware Fill. In the panel, set the fill method to object and adjust the alpha expansion value as needed. Under fill method, choose whether you want the fill to be subtle, moderate or strong. Feel free to experiment to get the best result. Finally, all you need to do is save the project and press generate fill layer. Now, just wait for it to process. The duration depends on your computer's speed. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.